Congratulations to all the graduates. You have all successfully accomplished what was required of you to merit the degree you will now hold. Congratulations din sa mga magulang, mga mahal ninyo sa buhay, na siyang naging sandalan at takbuhan ninyo bilang mga mag-aaral upang kumuha ng suporta, ng aruga, ng baon o allowance at ng pagtustos sa araw-araw na gastusin upang kayo ay magsipagtapos.
School year 2023 to 2024.
Dear graduates, you are to go into another phase of your life. May you have more wonderful and pleasant years ahead.
Growth and global engagement. Our international partnerships, research collaborations, and cross-cultural programs are being designed to expand your horizons and prepare you for the challenges and opportunities of a globalized world. We have encouraged you to think critically, to engage with diverse perspectives, and to contribute meaningfully to the global community. We also endeavor to provide you with a global reputation that could serve as your leverage in the global arena.
Thank you.